Here I am. It's been feeling really nice not to wear any makeup. Yes, I have freckles from living in the desert. And my eyebrows do not grow as far as they should. That's from shaving them when I was younger, but what are you gonna do? Just love yourself, right? My eyes. I'm having one of those seasons in life. By the way, I don't know, it's freaking freezing where I'm at. Winter's still the vibe here, so I've been really doing the deep work, but one of the bright sides, the bright cool things has been my birds. They've been growing up, and actually they're technically at that age where they can transition to sleeping outdoors full time. But I'm like, no. Time to go night-night, huh? Yeah. Good girls. I love them so much. They have sound healing capabilities. I don't know how to explain it. I actually recorded one of them. Listen. That is a sound that they make when they're all zenned out and they just want to relax. They feel safe and they coo. They coo all night, and it was just helping me. So now that they're living outside now, I'm kind of like, oh, my girls, they're growing up. No, Opie. Oh, the elusive quail. You can rarely get a glimpse because they fly so fast. But that family is so sweet. Hey. Oh, it's such good energy. It's really magical because this morning a herd of deer passed through exactly right there. So there's some really good animal medicine happening today. Oh, see this red robin? Where'd it go? There it is. These are some of my favorite birds. Oh, there's another one. Symbol of new growth. Wow, there's so many actually. Wow, how cool. Hi. looking straight at me. Well, I got my velvet outfit on. Whoa. Just feel like a star when I wear this velvet outfit. I don't know, something about velvet just makes me feel like a kid again. I used to wear a lot of leotards. And I realized I accumulated a hat, a freaking, I don't know what this is called, a sweater, I guess, and some leggings. So I'm like, oh, my inner child is singing. You guys, seriously, it is so cold. I mean, I'm not tripping. Like, it's literally in the 30s and it's 3 p.m. It's snowing again. I invited T-Rex in. Say hi, T-Rex. So this is the one that I was saying is so free. But this is actually the one I have like the deepest connection with. Very telepathic bird. Very much in tune with me. What's our deal, huh? It's like we know what each other's thinking. Yes, aw, see? I love you too. I really love you. But yeah, we got a connection. And I know it's just a little bird, but no. You're so much bigger than that, baby. Yeah. It's just good to respect animals. They can be so big in their internal world, their consciousness, but be just like a little chick, you know? T-Rex, my favorite little babe. You guys, how we doing? It's gonna be our first night out here, and I have faith in you. I know it's gonna be warm. You have your little nook. Mama will close the door. Such a proud mother. They grew their feathers, so they're gonna be warm tonight. Yeah, baby. Mama loves you.